Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 cursor is moving but not selecting or clicking. Press Windows key, type mouse settings in search bar. Tab key to move to mouse settings, then press Enter key. Tab key to move cursor. Press space bar key. Press space bar key to uncheck switch primary and secondary buttons. Tab key to move cursor, space bar key to select OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.